Chilli likes to say hi to all the puppies in the house. Hey, Chilli? Are those your puppies? Hi, guys. How are you this morning? Oh, you're full of piss and poop and vinegar, aren't you? They just had breakfast number 1. But I know you ate it so fast, it's time for breakfast number 2. You want to say hi to them too? Hey, you want to go and say hi to them? Rumor? Rumor likes saying hi to them too. You want to say hi to those guys? We could put you in and you could say hello. Hi, Pufo. Hi, Tarone. Oh, little tail's going. Little tail's going. That's Bosco saying hi to Chilli. And Kiwi. Pufo saying hi to Rumor. Canela saying hi to Chilli. Don't stand on the poopy tray. Biscotti. Biscotti, do you know your name? Get out of the poopy tray. Good girl. Good girl. It's the morning. Oh, Chilli. They might try and nurse. Yeah, I know. Well, they see those teats and they're like, maybe she'll feed us. You're going to clean up after them? You're a good mom. You're not even their mom. And you're going to clean up after them. Yeah. You going to steal their toy? Chilli? Really? Chilli? You're intimidating them. Come on. Yeah, Kismet, you go in there and Chilli come out. Chilli! Anyways, this is real life. It's good. They get used to different dogs and, you know. Now she's just growling at her own daughter.